Hey guys, today we are going to show you the top 7 best job search sites in the US to land your next job. Right before we do, we just quickly want to mention that our over 250 resumes are sent for a signal opening, and most employees use application tracking system to automatically screen resume. Over 75% of resumes are rejected by ATS software. Now into our list, common at the number 7 is jobs to careers. I'll go here. This is number 7, jobs to careers. Founded in 2010 by a former Oracle software engineer, jobs to career was over 9 million monthly visitors. It has a wide range of listings from full-time and part-time position as well as other gigs. Coming in at number 6 is snagajob.com. So it caters to hourly workers and has over 3 lakh employers who utilize the website to hire candidates. Founded in 2000, it currently receives 14 million visitors a month. Now coming at number 5 is Career Builder. Founded in 1995, Career Builder is used by over 1 lakh employers. It has 20 million monthly visitors, and like that, most sites on our list is allow you to upload your resume to have hiring managers and recruiters reach out to you directly. You'll want to do that with most of the sites on your list. Now moving to number 4 is ZipRecruiter. So here, which started as a recruiting tool for employers, has also launched its own job board. It has become really popular with over 26 million visitors a month. Now coming into number 3, monster.com, which was founded in 1999, is used by over 1 lakh companies and has over 5 million jobs listed. With job website really is Monster, serving over 27 million visitors a month. Now coming at to number 2 goes to Glassdoor. Glassdoor is not only useful for finding jobs, it also contains company review, salaries and other useful information and tools. With over 50 million visitors a month, Glassdoor is a site where job seekers should utilize. And finally, our number 1 spot goes to indeed.com. Indeed was founded in 2004 and is used by hundreds of thousands of employers and over 258 million job seekers worldwide. The website is super easy to navigate, and if you are serious about landing a job, you should definitely be on it. Thank you for watching this video. Thanks for watching, guys. Please subscribe to our channel below, and good luck with your job search. Thank you.
The way your body syncopates, you're driving me crazy.